I can get rid of your hiccups in one step that I have not seen talked about. Growing up, my mom always told me when I had the hiccups, just go to the pantry and get one spoonful of peanut butter. They go away every single time. I sat here and researched all these weird water drinking and breathing techniques, and literally my entire life, all I've done is go eat a spoonful of peanut butter, and my hiccups go away immediately. So I want you to try it and let me know if it works because I feel like I always tell people for the first time this method and they've never heard it, and yet it's worked for me my whole life.